The following video shows installation steps for MYOB software installation on Windows 7 or Windows 8 computers. Insert the program CD into your computer and the following screen appears. Tap the option for the disk. The autorun screen will then appear. Select autorun.exe. Select Install. Select Yes on Installation Wizard. Now, the program is preparing installation. When the welcome screen appears, select Next. When the license agreement screen appears, click on I accept the terms of the license agreement. Proceed to click Next. When the install type screen appears, click on Typical. Select Next. Select the folder name. By default, the program name is the same as the product name. Select Next. Select Next. This screen shows the program files are being copied to your computer. Select Next. The screen shows the installation is in progress. Please do not click any options. This shows that the installation is complete. Click on Finish. Now, MYOB software has been successfully installed on your computer. You can now see the program on your desktop. Thank you for watching.